Hey everybody, today we are talking all things gnats and how they will destroy your garden. But first, if you haven't heard, Making It with Meg has a brand new website, so make sure you go and check that out. You can get all things videos, sourdough, and gardening on my website, so make sure you check it out. So gnats are such a nuisance in the southeast. They love the warm, moist air, so this is the perfect environment for them. And what happens is your soil is the perfect environment for them if you water it too much. The warm, moist soil, the gnats will lay their larvae in, and the larvae will then hatch, and if they don't have food to eat, they will eat the roots of your plants. These were once my potatoes. Luckily, I was doing an experiment and I planted these at the same time as those back there. And the planter actually has done well because it disperses the water. But what I have found with grow bags is these hold water much more than the planter does. The planter will disperse the water out. The grow bags will hold the water. This material will hold the water. So the moisture stays a lot longer than it does in a planter, which is great if you don't want to water your plants as much, but you also run the risk of pests like gnat larvae and fungus. If you are going to use a grow bag, water less. Keep an eye on them. Make sure you are looking at your soil pretty frequently to make sure that you don't see any gnats. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and follow for more content like this, and check out the new website. You're gonna love it. Bye.